Welcome to Trip Mode, your go-to travel guide in Kashmir. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to book an exciting hot air balloon ride in beautiful Kashmir. From soaring above stunning landscapes to capturing amazing memories, we will guide you through the process step by step. Get ready to make your dream of floating in the skies of Kashmir come true. Step number 1. Go to your browser. Any browser can do, whether you want to go with the Google Chrome or you want to go with the Microsoft Edge or any other browser can do. We'll go with the Google Chrome and click here. So in the URL section, we will type tripmore.in and hit enter. We will be guided to the home page of Tripmore Tour and Travel. So here we can see the tour packages, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, rentals, Etios, Innova, Tempo Traveler, Mahindra Scorpio. Here in this activity section, you will find the paragliding, shikara ride, gondola ride, hot air balloon, skiing course, Great Lakes track, horse riding. So we will go with the hot air balloon. Let's click here on the hot air balloon. So here we are. This hot air balloon and this activity is done at the Zabarwan Park. Its duration is 10 minutes. This is very close to the Boulevard Road, and the group size is unlimited. Whether you are 5 persons, 10 persons, 20 persons, all can be accommodated. And here is the rate of this hot air balloon is 1500 rupees. Suppose you want to book it for the 27th of May 2023, and we are 2 adults, so we click here plus and click on book now. Here is the checkout form. This checkout form is already filled, so we'll just clear it all. So this is our details, so we'll just clear it. So suppose we are booking it for our friend, that is Richa Richa Chaub Richa Chaube, and her email is rchaub33@gmail.com, and the phone number is suppose 9600000036, and these are the details. This is the invoicing. So this is activity type is special, date is this, and the number of adult is 2. If you have any coupon code, you can use it here, and if not else, you can just click here, I accept, and submit. As you submit, you will be redirected to the payment gateway page, where you can make the payment through UPI, card, net banking, wallet, Google Pay, Paytm, or anything you do. Nowadays UPI are very easier, so we'll click on UPI. So we have all the UPI options available, so we'll click on a UPI number. Suppose my number is 7051909192@PAYPM, and we'll hit verify. Here your name will be displayed, and we'll click proceed. After you click proceed, you will be redirected. You will get a notification on your mobile, and you will get a notification where you click pay, and then it will ask for your UPI pin. Suppose we go to our UPI pin and we'll hit enter, and our payment is done, and you will be redirected that the payment is successful. You can take this receipt and go to the Zabarwan Park where this hot air balloon activity is done. You can show this receipt to them, and they will be more than glad to give you the ride. On taking this beautiful ride, you will see the majestic Dal Lake in front of you and the bird eye view of the whole of the Zabarwan range. The best time to do the hot air balloon in Kashmir is by the evening, very close to the sunset. At that time, you can see the sun right over the Dal Lake. And second important thing to note is that the hot air balloon is seasonal. It starts from the May and is till September. So book your ticket soon. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any query regarding the hot air balloon, you can comment us down below. And for the other activities to do in Kashmir, like shikara ride, pony ride, river water rafting, you can visit our website, that's www.tripmore.in, or you can call us on 7051909192. Thanks for watching.